Yeah, so Berrinbed Station has quite a large homestead. They have quite a big irrigation system. They also have a number of cottages for the workers there, and a big bore pump that used for irrigation and stock water. So they have quite a large power consumption for the property. So Berrinbed Station is one of the oldest stations in the Riverina. They're a big cattle station. So we built a relationship with Andrew. He's the manager of Berrinbed Station. He's been there for quite some years. He came to us to look at putting solar on the station to help offset some of their running costs for pumps and their workshop. So we help, develop a system to save them some money on the farm. So we installed a 22 kilowatt system on the farm. We also installed monitoring. We can help monitor their system. Andrew can also monitor it. It also calculates savings for them as well, so it validates their investment as well. Berrinbed Station had a fantastic payback period. It's been in for about 3 years now, and it looks like it's going to pay itself off within that 3 to 4 year mark, the way it's been performing, which is a fantastic result. Yeah, solar's helping offset a large majority of their pumping costs and running costs for the workshop as well. They've saved quite a bit of money. I think it's like Andrew said, there's around 50% of their savings in summer, which has been a huge reduction. And it's also helped them monitor their energy consumption and change some of their habits.